Good morning. Today is 2nd of January 2025. We are looking at Britannia industry option chain, and we have taken a trade of 200 quantities. I think the buying price was 93.8 something. So we are expecting price to go up. Currently we are going through 150 rupees loss, 380, 480. भाई साहब ये तो फॉल करने लग गया है यहाँ से. It's 10:19 in the morning and current loss is running 850. I was expecting this to go up, but doesn't matter, sooner or later it will go. Expiry is on 30th of Jan. 4800 का स्ट्राइक प्राइस लिया है हमने. ऑलमोस्ट 1000 का लॉस यहाँ पे दिखता हुआ. 850 रुपीज़ लॉस. 900, 850, 750, 710. इट्स अर्ली मॉर्निंग 10:20. फर्स्ट हाफ में ही मैंने एक ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट किया है. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स. 1100 लॉस. It went up 60 profit and 110 rupees it's showing profit. 50, 130, 50. So Britannia is a lot safer to trade in stock options as well as equity intraday, where we get 5x leverage. 1048 हो रहे हैं अभी. I think I should quit my position here, square off, or let me wait a bit more. 160 profit है, थोड़ा और मिल जाए. Should I wait a bit or not? 160, 220, 360. Yes, 360 is a kind of good profit. 420. I'm going to square off. 270. Waiting for a bit more profit. -10. Is this a reversal again? Then I have to wait for a couple of hours more to see profit. Currently 110 rupees loss is running. -20. I think I took a wrong decision buying 200 quantities at 93.8 something. I should have waited and bought at 88. So it's 1233 and current loss is -2000. Around 2000 loss is running. Hoping for a reversal. 2090, 2120. Hoping for a reversal very soon. There are high chances in second half we will see a V-shaped recovery, which means we can end up in profit. Otherwise I am going to hold this for the next day, because today is 2nd of January and this expiry is of 30th of January. So I have 28 days more. Still we will wait till the end of the day. I think I should have booked 200-300 rupees profit, because that was 1% of the investment. I think today I'm trading with 20,000 rupees, so I should have booked at least 200 rupees, which is 1%. Minus 2,180. $2,140. You can see Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank both are in good profit. 300 रुपये ऊपर चल रहा है प्राइस. एक्सपायरी है आज निफ्टी 50 की. Especially in Nifty 50 you can see the changes. We're waiting since last 2 hours just because I took a wrong decision buying at 94. I should have bought at 88 or something like that. Doesn't matter, this is a learning. I am waiting for a miracle. Let's see what happens till the end of the day. $12:36 in the afternoon. I bought at 93.9 and current price is 82. So 10-11 पॉइंट्स का तो यही डिफरेंस है. दैट इज़ द रीज़न मुझे यहाँ पे 2200 का लॉस दिख रहा है. पोजीशन क्लोज नहीं हुई है, अभी भी ओपन है पोजीशन. होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट. $2:45 PM और यहाँ पे जस्ट 80 रुपीज़ का लॉस. अच्छा एक पुल बैक आया है -140. आई थिंक यहाँ से मुझे प्लस में दिख सकता है पोर्टफोलियो 10 रुपी. आई थिंक मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा वेट करके पोजीशन बुक करूँगा अपनी. और ये 196 पे लॉक हुई है पोजीशन. No issues, something is better than nothing. I was getting a loss of 2,200 रुपी. लॉस से घूम के प्रॉफिट में आया है. And I think 40-50 rupees will go in brokerage. So nevertheless 140-150 rupees is a good profit. Thank you for watching.